First, open Leonardo AI and sign in to your account. To train an AI model in Leonardo AI, start by looking for the Model Training or Custom Model feature available in your current workspace. Keep in mind that Leonardo AI can change its tools and interface over time. So the exact name and location of the training feature may be different depending on your account and the current version of the platform. Before starting, prepare a suitable dataset. Your images should be relevant to the type of model you want to create, and they should have consistent quality and clear visual information. For example, if you want to create a custom model for a particular visual style, prepare a collection of images that clearly represent that style. If you are training around a specific subject or concept, make sure your dataset contains useful examples of that subject from different angles and situations. Next, open the Custom Model or Training section and create a new training project if that option is available. Give your project a clear name so you can identify it later. Then upload your prepared images and follow Leonardo AI's instructions for organizing the training data. Review the dataset carefully before starting the training process. Remove images that are blurry, irrelevant, duplicated, or inconsistent with your intended result. Once everything is ready, start the training process. Depending on the current Leonardo AI system, training may take some time. Wait for the platform to finish processing your dataset. When the model is ready, test it by generating images with appropriate prompts. Compare the results with your original goal and determine whether the model is producing the style or subject you expected.